Well, guys, here's camp. Figured to take a little video for anybody who wants to see. I want my kids to see what I did tonight. There's my new Bushnell Roam series one-man tent. That's the inside of it there. Pretty much set up ready to go. Got the rainfly partially on. Don't really need it, but this is what it looks like there. And got a little bit of firewood, and there's a fire pit, but I don't think I'm going to use it. Not my trash. Got some dinner here, but it's just a pro pack. I did some rice sides in there and added some kielbasa to it. It was good. As you can hear, I got a little radio going. A little chair I made. Directly behind me is the lake. Pretty serene setting. Not sure how far I hiked today. I'm going to guess about 5 or 6 miles. Not too far, but good time. Anyways, it is about 7:15, 7:30, I think. Just hanging out, chilling. Again, here's campsite. Again, not my trash. That's it. So, pretty cool setup. Nice spot.